So often I come across people asking whether you are a successful person as an employee before becoming a consultant and a coach afterwards, and helping people to find their goals, their unique purpose in life. So, how about it? What about you? Whether you have succeeded as a person? So, most part of my career, as like everybody else, I didn't think I was a successful person because many of my projects were halfway when I was moved from that project, or the project itself was designed to be halfway. So, and also because of that, lot of dissatisfaction on my part, and there were a lot of confusion with the senior management and all that, and that has been a pattern. So when you one recognizes that this is a pattern with me about the project and my relationship with my colleagues, that is the success point when one uh, turns it into a success point afterwards. Like say, it will be a successful thing once you realize that this is the pattern that you are following, uh, like say project after project. So yes, when I realized that, then actually I told to myself whether these conflict with colleagues is bigger than my goal. It is not. It will never be. And it will never be in your case either. So when you are thinking of a goal, you are thinking of nothing else. You are thinking of no other priorities. You are thinking of only success, success of yours, success of your teammates. That is how you will be achieving bigger success, and that is how you will be having happiness around you. And then the smaller friction, conflicts, and uh, like say disagreements, these will not hold any water. So that is the bigger turnaround that one has when one realizes that actually the goals are bigger than the whatever the circumstances are. So why people are so very foolish and not so as to not realize this small thing? This is a very small thing. In fact, this is the biggest thing about a mindset. um, when you realize, actually you at the hindsight you actually agree that this has been a very foolish thing that one was following this far and was day in and day out, he or she was struggling with it. And all the time when you travel in the metro or wherever you are going, you will come across these complaints, and people are not happy about their bosses or even their colleagues, seniors, peers, and juniors. So the only thing that can keep one the track is the goal. And every second, every time that your mind is thinking of something else, like say it comes into a comparison whether I am as successful as the other person, whether my salary is should be as high as the other person, or it should be better than the other person, and these are the common uh, employee problems. So if this is the case, then that is the time when one should have the control back. The mind should be brought back into control, thinking about the thing that is goal, and that is the milestone. Once you are successful in your goal and you are achieving your goal, then all other things will come by automatically, right? And that takes time. That takes time for the first time. it doesn't take time afterwards. So the first mindset change and the turnaround first time is the only strategic thing one needs to work with, and that has to be perfected. And this is a small thing, and but it takes huge effort. Like changing a mindset is not a smaller thing, right? It takes lot of effort, lot of thinking, lot of deliberation, lot of reflection, and very hard decision about yourself. But it when it happens, no, it just takes 1 second, 1 nanosecond of your mindset to switch off. There will be huge resistance before that switch over happens. So that is when all your efforts should go switching your mind from that negativity to positive, towards the positivity. That is the only thing one needs to do. Yeah, and that's it. So yeah, it is a small switch, just switching off, and it takes just a moment. For this, a huge amount of effort is required, and that is all what I teach. That is all what I consult. And it has nothing to do but to change a mindset. It doesn't change anything else. But it after your mindset changes, the entire world changes. Yeah, it is like that.